high-quality development to the world? I believe that we can see already I'll go back to EV cars, the electric cars, China continues to come up with new things, new technology that is really important at a much cheaper price. China now has their own confidence, and the more they open up to the rest of the world, the stronger their economy will be, because the word really gets out that China is the country of the future. China will only get stronger and stronger with the government that we have, with the people we have, with the universities that we have. China has everything, and they accept ideas really quickly.